Concrete is a miraculous substance. Extremely hard and durable, it is an ideal material for construction, whether you are building the foundation of an apartment building or an outdoor pool. One drawback of concrete is that it has a tendency to crack. But why does concrete crack, and what can you do about it? There are actually several common causes of concrete cracking. Here is a list of some of the basic types of concrete cracks, what causes concrete to crack in these ways, and what you can do about it. Poorly compacted soil underneath the concrete. Soil beneath concrete floors can shift or move over time, causing the concrete to crack. Water pooling underground can also raise or lower the land beneath the content and affect the concrete's stability. Concrete shrinkage, the most common type of cracking in concrete, especially early on, is shrinkage. Concrete is a mix of cement and water. As the concrete hardens, which is caused by the cement and water forming bonds, some of that water escapes through evaporation. This reduces the size of the concrete slab, and since concrete is a very hard, tightly bound substance, this loss of material creates stress. This stress can lead to cracks in the concrete. Reentrant corner cracks. Reentrant corner cracks are a special kind of shrinkage that occurs when concrete is poured around a column with corners. They can also happen when the concrete is poured around a rounded object, like a manhole. When shrinkage takes place, the concrete cannot shrink evenly around the object. Instead, long cracks can result, radiating from said object. Properly cut control joints are the generally accepted method for warding off this issue. Corrosion of steel bars underneath concrete. Oxidation of the steel bars used to reinforce the concrete can cause cracks to form. Expansion cracks. In hot weather, bonds within the concrete can weaken and the concrete can expand, creating stress. If the concrete does not have room to expand, it will crack. You can prevent this by adding an expansion joint made of a compressible material, like tar-impregnated cellulose fiber, to allow some give in the concrete. Heaving cracks. In very cold weather, the freeze and thaw cycle may cause the concrete to lift and heave, resulting in cracks. Avoid this by paving over soil that drains away moisture and will give with the slab, rather than tightly packed, unyielding soil, and by not pouring too close to large tree roots. Consistently exceeding the concrete's load capacity. Prolonged pressure from heavy vehicles like semi-trucks can lead to cracks in concrete surfaces if the weight exceeds the concrete's load limit. How do you prevent concrete cracking? The best way to prevent cracks is to take every possible precaution during the pouring process. When pouring concrete, consider structural design. Contraction, expansion and isolation joints need to be constructed at reasonable intervals beneath reinforced concrete. Proper width and spacing are essential for making concrete flooring as strong as possible. Mixing materials. Cement mixtures are strongest when not contaminated with foreign materials like clay or dirt. A larger amount of aggregate in the cement plays a crucial role in crack prevention, and a smaller amount of water in the concrete mixture can help reduce shrinkage. Placement. A properly compacted subgrade, the ground beneath where the cement is being poured, is important for preventing cracks from occurring in concrete. A careful inspection of the subgrade is essential for preventing crack formation. Finishing and curing. Curing cement as quickly as possible helps make it stronger and reduces the risk of cracking. Using a dehumidifier can encourage the concrete to dry faster by reducing the dew point of the air surrounding the cement. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe.